Hey guys, today I am riding with a friend. They're corn farmers here. Corn is the main cash crop around here. Lots and lots of acres, thousands and thousands of acres of corn. Yeah, I'm here at the grain elevators where they bring the corn to be dumped. This is the truck I'm riding with. The guy up there, he is gonna go stick a rod into the corn. He's gonna take some corn from the bottom of the truck, and then they test it to check the moisture to see if they can dump it off here. And we've brought a load here already today. They've brought a couple loads already. They're well into corn harvest already. So it's most likely gonna be dry, but just to be sure they check if it's dry enough. Okay, so now I'm riding with a grain cart, just unloading a combine here. The corn, you can see the corn coming up the window there. After this combine load, this grain cart is full, and then we take it back to the truck I was just riding in and dump it in there. Driving over the second truck to load it. There we've got the semis unloading the corn, and where the guy is opening his truck, and it goes up the conveyor that's right there, goes up there and then up onto the tall one, and then it comes pouring down here onto the pile. And I'm not sure how many loads that is, but that is anyway crazy many already. We're just waiting in line here to dump off. There's another semi and 2 or 3 trucks, I think 2 trucks ahead of us, and then we can dump off again. Not sure where we're going to dump off, here or just behind these 2 big bins. We'll see. Goes on, it's dark. Now we're just gonna fill up the trucks yet. The granary is closed, but we're gonna fill up the trucks yet, and then day's over. Got the combine and the grain cart both loading into our truck. Awesome.